Okay, so they always say it's 10 degrees cooler in the shade. And I believe them. I do believe them. Okay, we're full. Blah. With, I think it's supposed to, heat index values 105 this week into Sunday night. Holy crap. So, yeah, this is ridiculous. I mean, it's a good thing I got all the mowing done last night. Holy friggin' crap. Oh, what have we here? Well, we're getting ready for wheat harvest. Yeah, I think it's like 90 degrees out or something. Holy cow, and there's like little to no breeze. So it's just like a dry heat. Yeah. Like I was saying, tomorrow and Saturday is supposed to be, or yeah. Tomorrow and Sunday is supposed to be like really uncomfortable. Gassy sitting here, loaded with water for the sprayer. Yeah. Oh, just god awful hot out. You guys didn't think I was that good, huh? Let's see if we put a little more in it. Stupid thing making a mess. That's alright. To take this mower back and blow it off with the blower, the 7800 here. So we'll get with it. Blow it all off and make her clean. Okay, so it looks a lot better. Just set it there. We're gonna go up and unhook this. flip our PTO around over to 1000. Sweet, it didn't smash that blower.